Welcome! Today we will learn how to do the double treble crochet stitch, abbreviated, and its symbol appears on the screen. So let's get started. We'll make the starting ring. We hold the yarn and the hook the proper way, and begin with the starting chain. To do the double treble crochet stitch, we will need to add 5 more chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we will skip these 5 stitches and go into the 6th chain. To do double treble crochet stitch, we will wrap the yarn 3 times on the hook before we go into the stitch. So that's 1, 2, and 3. Now we have 3 loops on the hook other than the loop we already have from the beginning. Then we will go into the next stitch, which is stitch number 6. Now yarn over and pull through. And we will have 5 loops on the hook. Yarn over once more. And pull through 2. 4 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through 2. Yarn over again and pull through 2. So yarn over and pull through the last 2 to get 1 loop. And that's the double treble crochet stitch. This is the stitch we just worked on, and this is the next one. So again, start with 3 loops on the hook other than this loop here, and go into the next stitch. Yarn over and pull through. Now we have 5 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through 2. Again, yarn over and pull through 2. Once more, yarn over and pull through 2. Yarn over and pull through 2, and we have 1 loop. So we repeated it 4 times. Wrap the yarn 3 times. As we can see, this is the next stitch. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through 2. Yarn over and pull through 2. Third time, yarn over and pull through 2. Last time, yarn over and pull through 2 to get 1 loop on the hook. Again, wrap the yarn 3 times. Insert the hook, yarn over and pull through. Then yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through 2, and yarn over and pull through 2 again. Yarn over and pull through the last 2, and we have 1 loop. Take a look at the length of the stitch, it is 5 chains as we demonstrated. Two, 3 and into the stitch. Pull through 2. Pull through 2 again. And pull through 2. And pull through last 2. Wrap 3 times. And go into the next stitch. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through 2. Yarn over and pull through 2 again. Yarn over and pull through 2 once more. Yarn over and pull through 2 to end up with 1 loop. Pull through 2. Three times. Now we will start the second row, and we'll start it off with 5 chains as we mentioned before. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wrap the yarn 3 times. And go into the next stitch. Yarn over and pull through 2. And again. And once more. And yarn over and pull through 2 again. And continue on. Like so, as we can see. Pay attention to the loops on the hook and make sure you pull through only 2 loops each time. So that's 2 loops. And another 2. And last 2 loops. Go into the next stitch. Like so. And now we've finished the double treble crochet stitch. And this is how it looks at the end. Thank you.